Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you. That's right. Today I'm going to be showing you this company right here. It's called Kiwi Eco. Do you want to know what this is all about and what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this company is a brand new company. I do believe this is now their second box ever, and I'm going to assume this is July's box. I will know once I open it because on their website it did show what was in June's box. So I'll know the difference. But this company did get a hold of me. They asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their new subscription box. And of course I said yeah, because it seems very interesting and I like the meaning behind it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you a little bit about the company first. That's what I do when I first bring a box to my channel, and then I will unbox it. And so this is a monthly eco-friendly subscription box. Everything you need to live zero waste. What's inside a Kiwi Eco box? Once you join Kiwi, you start to receive from 5 to 7 sustainable eco products monthly, which allows you to integrate zero waste concepts into your lifestyle easily and build you plastic-free routine. Why Kiwi? We believe we can make the world a better place by reducing plastic pollution and keep our planet healthier. Small steps can lead to big changes, and if not you, who would take care of our Mother Earth? We are here to help you to adjust your lifestyle to slowly implement zero waste and plastic-free essentials into your daily routine or inspire a loved one to make the switch. So you get to select your plan. If you do month to month, it's $24.99 per box. It's 100% eco-friendly. And if you do 3 months at a time, it brings your box price down to $23.33 a box, making it $69.99. Or you can go to a whole year of 12 boxes, technically get 2 free boxes, and it brings it to $22.33, which your total would be $279.99. And again, you get 1 box every month. Essential products, but plastic free and safe for the environment. Make a difference. Small steps can lead to bigger changes, and now you are the change. Let's build a community of people who care. So that is everything that I could find about the company on their website, about what they are standing for, which is all eco-friendly products. And let's go ahead and see what is in their, I think, second box. So let's see. I hear something rattling around. So let's see. But again, I do really like that they're trying to do everything, or they're going to be doing everything eco-friendly. So for those that are caring for the environment and our Mother Earth, this might be the box for you. We're gonna find out. So let's see if I can get this box opened. Okay. There we go. So now that the box is opened, that is the presentation that you see when you open it up. So again, this is my very first box, so I don't know what to expect. This says, thank you for choosing Kiwi Eco box. Small steps can lead to bigger changes, and now you are the change. Your box was mindfully packed using eco-friendly materials in our ongoing efforts to support sustainability. Please reuse, repurpose, or recycle this package. So there's that, and that's what it looks like inside. So let me get the products out. Okay, so this one does not have like a card with pricing or anything like that, which is okay. Some companies do, some companies don't. But let's go ahead and see what we have. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is this little guy right here. Having cards just kind of helps like give a little bit better like description of the products. So let's just kind of see, let's see what we have. Let's open this guy up. So down in here, this is, I'm not sure. It looks like a spool of something in there. Okay. And then here's the top part with, it looks like, is this dental floss? Because it has like this little thing right here to where you pull it and then you do this. To me, this reminds me of dental floss. It is, it smells minty. Yeah, that's dental floss. That's really neat. It smells nice and minty. So you have this dental floss that you can use, and I don't know if you can buy refillable ones like this, or you can definitely use this bottle for something else. You can even use it probably for like a salt or pepper shaker if you needed to, but you can always keep little things in here, little pins, safety pins, that kind of thing. So you can always reuse this jar, which I like that. And I like that there's no plastic. So there you go. So we have dental floss. That's really neat. Now we have, this looks like a bag full of Q-tips. I don't want to sit here and count them all, but this is all of them out of the package. So that is how many Q-tips that you do receive in this package. So there's item number 2. Item number 3, sounds like these are some metal straws. So we cannot use plastic straws, save the turtles, the water, the environment, and everything. So this set comes with, ooh, here's a big one. I've never had one like this. Like, that would be good if you have like a shake, a smoothie, an ice cream, something that you need a little bit bigger sucking capacity, because these are like the standard size right here. So there's a bent one, a straight one, there's a cleaner, and then there's this big one, which like I said, I like, because sometimes when you have something that's more of a thicker consistency, it's better to have a bigger straw. And I've had a lot of straw sets my way, and I've never had something with this big one. So I actually appreciate that there's different sizes in there and styles. So there is a straw set, which is really good to use. Now we have again, this is where cards come into play a little bit better. So I'm not quite sure what this guy is, but it kind of reminds me of what would look kind of like a scrubber, maybe for in the shower, kind of like a loofah situation. That's what I'm going to call this. I think that's what this is right here. I'm gonna assume that's what that is. And then the last item in here is beeswax food wraps. I've received something like this in a box before, and they're really, really neat. It's like beeswax, then you can put them right over your containers to store them, and then you can clean them as well. They're washable, but that looks like that would be the pattern. Let me see. Let me open it. Okay. Oh, and you know what? This actually feels a lot better than the other one that I got. The other one that I got was so sticky. Like, I didn't even want to touch the product. This one is not like that. I'm totally fine with touching this. I have no problems because I'm a huge texture person and I don't like my hands dirty. But this one is not like that. The other one was way harder, way thicker, and more sticky. This one's actually nice. Like, I would definitely work with this one a lot more than that other one. So here's this size. It's a nice bigger size, so this will wrap over bigger bowls or containers. And then there's 2 other ones in here that I'm assuming they're gonna be different sizes. How cute. That one has a really cute pattern, and so that one is a little smaller. And then here is one that's even smaller. So you have 3 different sizes. So I'll put them together like this. So now you can compare the 3 different sizes together. And for this, the small one is a 7 by 8, the medium is an 11 by 10, and the large is a 13 by 14. And it says, make the world a better place, sustainable food storage. And you can warm the wrap using the heat from your hands. So kind of like when you go to put it on, you kind of warm it up with your hands a little bit. So it kind of help melt it and get it to get a good firm stick. Shape your wrap firmly around the bowl or snack ends to seal it. And voila, you get to ditch plastic and go green all the way if you are using these bad boys right here. And to care for them, you wash the wrap with cold water and a drop of organic soap as needed. Scrub the wrap gently as needed, rinse and hang dry. Avoid heat as the beeswax melts, and it's not suitable for raw meat. So anything cooked, nothing not cooked. So it does give you all of that information right here on the back of it as well. So this set, I'm gonna say, is way better than the other one that I did receive. I mean, just by first touching and seeing. So I'm actually excited to try out this set, because the other one I just really couldn't work with. It was just too much. I like the dental floss, plus I use dental floss every single day, so that's always good to get. The Q-tips, I use Q-tips every single day as well. That's neat. I'm thinking this is more of like a sponge or a loofah. And then you have the straw set, which I do like this straw set, being how it has that one bigger one in there. And again, this whole box is $24.99. They're standing by and what they're promoting and how they're giving all eco-friendly products, so there's no wasteful materials, no plastics, anything like that. So I do like what they stand for. If you want to check them out, I will link them down below, and you can definitely get this box right here. This is their second box for July, so that's really neat. I'm interested to see what they do next month, but again, going all eco-friendly, I think these are pretty good items. $24.99. It would be good if that has free shipping. It didn't say anything about shipping, so if that is free shipping, then I would see, you know, this being that price, because I'm sure this set right here alone is kind of pricey. Plus these three here will help you eliminate all kinds of plastic, and you won't have to keep buying bags. So there's that. So if you're into eco-friendly, you're into these type of products, then definitely check them out. I will link them down below. And yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Thank you for sending me your box to show my viewers. I think you're off to an amazing start, especially going eco-friendly. So yeah, so again, thank you so much. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, Crafty crew, out.